Dear friends, as you may be aware that aura scanners by AstroDevam have become most popular and most reliable aura scanner in the world. Not only in India, but around the globe they are being used not only by the astrologers and Vastu experts, but by the Reiki healers, pradic healers, engineers, doctors, senior bureaucrats, senior corporates. Everyone is using our aura scanner and they are exclaimed with the results found by them after using it. But due to this high popularity of aura scanners, many fraudulent persons have started to use our name. They have started to claim that their aura scanners have been manufactured by the or prepared by the AstroDevam. And moreover, some persons have started to claim that if you buy their aura scanners, you will get a training by me, Miss Acharya Kalki Krishnan. We have found that many persons are approaching us that they have bought aura scanner from someone else and they were promised that the training of the aura scanner will be provided by me. No. Although our training has been adjudged as the best aura scanner training in the world, in the only training in which you are extensively informed each and every aspect of the aura scanner in a very lucid and scientific manner, the only training in which your inner energy called Kundalini is activated without any additional charge. So we want to clarify that neither we are selling any aura scanner through any agent, any distributor, or any other else, or nor we are giving training with the aura scanner sold by anyone, any other organization or person. So be aware, remain alert. We have found many instances. In one case, as you can see on the screen, one organization named Shubh Sanket is claiming that their aura scanners have been manufactured by the AstroDevam, and in the another screenshot, you can see that they are claiming that training for their aura scanners will be provided by Acharya Kalki Krishnan. That's me. These claims are false. We have started to file FIRs in the cybercrime cell of Government of India, and we are taking legal action against all these fraudulent persons. So if you see any such instance, any such claim, please inform us. We will take action immediately. All type of legal action along with claim for damages will be made by us. And be aware, the aura scanners and many other reliable products of AstroDevam are sent only from only one office, that is in Noida. It is situated near Delhi in India. So we are not selling at any other place. We will be get aura scanners only from AstroDevam. If you have any query, any suggestion, please contact on our website. We are available anytime. Namaskar. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from AstroDevam.com.